Welcome back, students. Today we will discuss about object oriented programming, lesson number 2. So in this class, as we are continuing from the previous class, we are going to discuss about this object concept. So in the previous class we are discussing about the possibility of C and C++, that is the way we write C and C++, sorry, C programming. C++ programming is itself a object oriented programming. So C programming, when we talk about C programming, so it is C programming is a structured programming, or we say it's a procedural programming as compared to object oriented programming like C++. So object in the sense here in the context of programming terminology, one term we are familiar with is dynamic binding and static binding. As far as C programming is concerned, we are always used to the static binding. That is, the program has its predefined structure of the links and libraries that will be used. Mostly the linking is always done at the compile time, which means that the data and the files we are supposed to be using in our program has to be predefined. That is the meaning of a static binding. And because of the concept of static binding, C is mostly is a structured program, because once the predefined libraries and files are known, so a structured way of management of the programs and the object code is possible. Whereas in opposite to C, the C++ or Java, or mostly the object oriented concept, lot of the dynamic binding happens in the object oriented programming. Now by the dynamic binding, we mean that the linking of one particular section of the object, one particular section of a program, when we go out of the scope of the program or out of the scope of the current execution section, the binding that is possible is varied from n number of between n number of types. By binding we mean the type of the casting that can take place is not fixed, or it cannot be set before or predefined. It can be lot of dynamism can happen, and the binding can take place over a runtime, and which gives the program a data structure, which it may not be a structured programming module to handle the concept of dynamic linking or dynamic binding, because of which object oriented programming is called a non-structured or non-procedural programming, whereas C is a completely procedural and structured program.